All right, so take 3 of trying to figure this out, because I forgot to hit record after I did it the first time and it cut out the time before that. So take 3 of finishing what I was saying. Anyways, H2O is a net product of the electron transport chain, which is not the whole thing. It's just this section here. These 3 are, I suppose, 4 proteins. Electron transport chain. And it moves in a summary, moves the high energy hydrogens to the inner membrane space, which will then want to come back to the matrix because of equilibrium. They're going to want to balance out. So as hydrogen enters ATP synthase, they donate their energy to the protein, which then is able to do what its name says, synthesize to make ATP. So I did have a hydrogen here. I erased it. I'll erase a little more. ADP and phosphate, they can't magically just attach. They need energy from ATP synthase, and that energy is what gives us the holy grail. Wow, I sound like a broken record. I've said this so many times, which is ATP. We've been dying to get the big amount of ATP, and we finally have 34 of them. 1 glucose will give us 34 ATP, which is the energy the cell can use. This process from ATP synthase is simply called chemiosmosis. And I'll just write out the net products. I had it earlier. I had written down that these hydrogen ions are high energy, but I mentioned it multiple times. The net products are H2O, that's a really nice O, and 34 ATP. And that is it for the electron transport chain and chemiosmosis, and therefore aerobic respiration has been finished, summarized by me in 45 minutes, give or take. I hope it was educational and easy to understand. I have learned lots by doing this. My understanding has greatly improved, seeing the visuals and the different colors. And just hearing myself really speak, I find, helps a lot. And by reading out what I'm writing, the combination of everything is made for a really great study tool. And I hope it could be for someone else. So thank you for listening, and I will be back to do photosynthesis.